Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to make beef stew. It's very simple and very healthy dish. Ingredients are 2 medium-sized onion, 3 potatoes. Both will be cut in cubes, small cubes. 3 to 4 carrots, 1 lemon, a bowl of broccoli, a bowl of peas, all-purpose flour about 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper. I'm using 1 kg beef boneless cut in small cubes. For seasoning we'll be needing oyster sauce, Worcester sauce, soya sauce, pepper and salt, paprika powder, all seasoning powder, dry parsley, ginger garlic paste and corn flour. I'm going to make beef stew in Instant Pot. Instant Pot is a kind of pressure cooker. It's very safe and very handy. I recommend everyone to buy this. There are plenty of options on it. Rice, all kind of rice, soup, poultry, meat, lentils, everything can be cooked in this in very less time. I'm going to use meat stew option and I'm going to show you how I'm using it. It's very easy and very handy. I'm going to mix flour, salt and pepper together and marinate beef with it. Now I'm going to put some oil in Instant Pot and saute marinated beef for a while until it changes its color. It takes only 5 to 10 minutes. The marination is only flour, salt and pepper, nothing else. After it changes its color, I'm going to take the beef out. Just keep stirring and leave them for a while. The third step will be I'm just going to add a little bit more oil in Instant Pot and switch on the saute mode again, and then I'm going to cut all 3 vegetables into small cubes. You can cut these vegetables into whichever form you like. Then I'm going to saute them for 5 to 10 minutes and then I'm going to take them out. Carrots, potatoes and onions gives very nice flavor to beef stew. I have added broccoli and peas into the Instant Pot and sauteed along with other vegetables for 5 to 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add beef into it and then I'm going to add 2 cups of water. प्रेशर देने से पहले आपने इसको अच्छी तरह से मिक्स करना है कि इसकी बॉटम अच्छी से साफ़ हो जाए. अगर इसकी बॉटम में कुछ लगा हुआ होगा तो बर्निंग के चांसेस होते हैं. इंस्टेंट पॉट आपको बता देगा, वैसे आपको शो कर देता है पॉइंट का साइन अगर कुछ अंदर लग रहा होता है. तो it's better to scrape off the bottom before giving any kind of pressure. Now I will be adding all the seasonings: Worcester sauce, soya sauce, Worcester sauce about 1 teaspoon, soya sauce about 1 tablespoon, oyster sauce about 1 teaspoon, 1 whole lemon squeezed in it. Lemon is optional in this dish. If you don't want to add it, just skip this part. I like the flavor of lemon personally in stew, so I'm going to add it. Then I'm going to add a tablespoon of brown sugar and then I'm going to add a tomato puree. It can be made from fresh tomatoes also. If you have store-bought one, you can go for that too. It's your choice. I forgot to mention tomato puree in ingredients part. Apologies for that. Then I'm going to add ginger garlic paste, a tablespoon of garlic paste and tablespoon of ginger paste. Now I'm going to mix it thoroughly, scrape off the side and bottom. Just make sure everything is mixed together. Scrape off the side and scrape off the bottom once again. अच्छी तरह से सब चीज़ों को आपको मिक्स करना है कि सारी सीजनिंग और सारी फ्लेवरिंग जो भी हमने ऐड की है अच्छे से मिक्स हो जाए. इसके बाद हम मीट स्टू की ऑप्शन यूज़ करेंगे. The second one, it is 35 minutes long pressure. If you're using chicken or if you're using lamb, you can change the pressure time to by using the plus minus sign. I'm using beef, so obviously beef takes a lot of time, so I'm going to use 35 minutes pressure. And now I'm going to cover with the lid, and steam valve should be towards the sealing position. It's very important step. Check the steam valve every time you close the lid for the pressure. It takes 5 minutes to start the pressure. Now it has started working. 35 minutes are finally over. By using a tong, I'm going to move the steam valve toward the venting position. You can use spoon, anything, but just don't do it with a hand. It's dangerous. And let it release itself. Give it 5 minutes. अच्छी तरह से स्टीम को पूरा आपको निकलने देना है. आपको ये क्लिप नज़र आ रहा होगा, इसको नीचे हो जाना चाहिए. जब आप तो ये नीचे हो जाएगा तो lid is ready to open. Now you can open the lid. You can see that clip is toward the down position. Carefully open the lid. You can see this is the way to open the lid. Now the stew is a little watery for me. I'm going to switch on the saute mode. First cancel the last program and then switch on the saute program and then let it cook for 15 minutes. मुझे इसको थोड़ा सा और ड्राई करना है. मीट स्टू हर किसी को डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स पे पसंद है. किसी को बहुत ड्राई पसंद है. It's made in different forms. Some people like it in a dry form. Some people like it in a soupy form. I like soupy form personally, so I'll go for that. And then I'm going to add a bit of like a teaspoon of salt and pepper. थोड़ा सा spices का difference हो जाता है end पे, so वो आप अपने ही taste के हिसाब से उसको adjust कर सकते हैं. And then I'm going to take about half cup of water and a tablespoon of corn flour. इसको अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लें क्योंकि लम्स था मैंने, और फिर उसको आपने स्टू में डाल देना है. उसके बाद उसको अच्छी तरह से मिक्स करना है और 5 मिनट के लिए छोड़ देना है. कॉर्नफ्लावर सिरप इसके अंदर डालकर आपने इसको अच्छी तरह से मिक्स करना है. एंड देन लेट इट सिमर फॉर 5 to 10 minutes. कीप इट अनकवर्ड. अच्छी तरह से बस मिक्स कर लें और इसके बाद बस कुछ ही टाइम बाद आपका स्टू रेडी होगा. Right, you will be start feeling the thickness right after you add corn flour syrup. Now just leave it for 5 minutes. This is the consistency of stew I personally like. If you want it in a dry form, you can put on the saute mode for a couple of more minutes. Then you can adjust it according to your taste. Finally, it's done. You can serve it with a bread or boiled rice, whatever you like.